The National Hurricane Center has issued a hurricane warning for the following areas: Venice, Louisiana to Mobile, Alabama, including the cities of New Orleans and Gulfport. The warning is active from now until 7 a.m. Wednesday Central Time. As Hurricane Ida moves toward land with 140 miles an hour winds, hurricane warnings have been posted. If in the warned area, evacuation is advised. Ida is expected to weaken, but that does not mean to let your guard down. If you think you're not safe, you probably aren't. Remember, a hurricane warning means that hurricane winds or gusts are expected in the next 24 hours.